Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2021 Nissan Sentra. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This roomy Sentra makes your daily drive fun, comfortable, and convenient. Discover the joy of cornering thanks to sport suspension, precise handling, and crisp acceleration. Then relax and enjoy the cruise in the sleek cabin loaded with tech and clever storage solutions. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, satellite radio, backup camera, aluminum wheels. Take a ride on the spirited side in this powerful Sentra. Crisp, modern styling meets sport suspension and precise handling to bring you an upscale midsize sedan that puts the fun back into your daily commute.